Hi guys, how you doing? What?
Got drunk off your love, and I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in.
Hi guys. Okay. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My good name is Carol Becky. That is to my new subscribers. My returning subscribers, thank you so much. Oh my god. Thank you guys for always supporting me all the time. Sawa, nawapenda. Venye siwezi wabaia gifts ni what. Lakini asanteni. I appreciate your love. Okay. So guys, today's video, you've seen the headline. What am I going to do? I'm unboxing our new vacuum cleaner. So I want to unbox my new vacuum cleaner with you guys right away. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Aki jamani, hata before nifungue tu hiyo vacuum. Aki, I don't know. Aki, please subscribe YouTube channel yangu. I'm taking to grow. But thank you, we have grown. But then to grow when you're shanga, when you wanna refer kwa mabeshti anambia niko na beshti anataka Rebecca subscribe. Nashukuru because last time I did our video, what am I saying? Tulikuwa 600 subscribers. I mean ilikuwa, but right now we 8 something. I guess 859 or I'm not sure. But at least you're growing. We're growing. Sijui niseme road to 1,000, lakini mimi sitaki road to 1,000. Road to millions. Anyway, thank you for always supporting me guys. Sasa ni wakati wa kufungua vacuum cleaner na nyinyi. Keep locked. Sijui kama wataona ikiwa hapo manza karibisha kamera. Wanna know. So guys, here goes the vacuum cleaner. Are you ready? You know guys, I was thinking of giving you shout outs, but until you get me to what subscribers, to 1,000 plus is when I'm gonna give you shout outs. Okay, my loves. I have my friend called Amelda Candy. I don't know that you have subscribed to her YouTube channel. She just call her subscribers my loves. So I'm her. Hi my loves. Let me open this with you. Candy AK. She's called Candy AK, not Amelda. I'm giving her names here, real names. You go subscribe to her YouTube channel. If you listen to her, she be loves. She makes my days when I hear the love thing. Like this, I guess, like this. Okay. We have a vacuum cleaner. You know, guys, I told my mommy that I have a vacuum cleaner, and then she's like, "You magani?" Oh my god, nimekata makaratasi huko ndani. Tunapigia stories zenye sijui ziko na mwaka mwisho. Yeah, here we go, guys. Yeah, that's super badai, guys. Are you ready? Are you ready to see my vacuum cleaner? Mbona zinaanza na hizi? Guys, you see, I guess let me look for I call it instruction form because I don't know what to call it. because it's gonna help me. It's gonna help me do it. What is this? I didn't even feel it. Am I in any? Lecturers. Guys, I'm not sure that it's recording. Let me confirm first whether it's recording or not. Oh, it's recording. Yeah, they have the instruction whatever. Me, I don't give up. This one. So you can't put here. I think I'm gonna redo the Chinese one. Kunchaku kamashuna kushe. So yeah, so let's see. Yeah, unless mtu hawezi potea na hii kitu. So let's see hii ni wapi nimeanza nayo. Hii ni additional kwa the pipe, the long pipe, I guess. Let's proceed. Let's do what, guys. Whew. Let's proceed. Let me put this here because I guess I'll connect. I don't have that time right now. Then there are two. I guess that is when you're working on a large surface room, when you're moving. Hii kitu nakaa maeni kufanya nini? I don't know. Maybe for supporting the machine. And then we have these are the detergent. These are cool. Yeah, we have this one. We're gonna try it with you too. We see whether I can use it. Yeah, and then this one, I think we're using this for seeds, for vacuum seeds, and then like a brush. Anatarudisha hizi vitu zote. Gerede ya kutoa. Na imefungwa kama mayai jamani guys. Imefungwa. So, guys, here is the pipe. Ndo mupaipu ndo huu mwenyewe. I think this I'm gonna put it down here because I'm going to use it right now. I keep waiting this. And then we have Mr. Vacuum himself. Here, guys. I think this I'm gonna put it down here. Yes, let me put this there. See? Oh my god, guys. So this one I'm gonna return them in the box. Let's this one. What's up? Here, guys. Oh my goodness. Back up. So guys, let's shikanishana. I think I saw. I'm gonna start with this one because in your main. that. And what else should I shikanisha? Oh my god. I think this one. This one. What is the use of this? And then we're gonna start with which one? I think we're gonna start with this small brush. This one is for yeah. You see, guys, it's that easy to fix. Ni rahisi, because while fixing the other ones, you still have to do the same. You see, when you natembea huko na necklace, hii ni huku chini. Yes. Kwani mbona ilali? Ma kuna venye inalalishwa. Kucha zangu zingekatika juu ya kutengeneza. Yeah, hivi. Mimi sijui nafanya aje, guys. But I know I'll learn with time. Maybe there is someone I'm supposed to fix. Yeah, anyway, umeona venye mtu anaingiza kuingiza ni rahisi. The same with this one. It's just easy. Maybe I show you this one. See how it goes. Let me see. Where is the cable? So the cable is here. Let me see, guys. Hey, what is this one? Oh. So okay, when you kutoa, this one can be share. You see. I was wondering in any automatic. You don't have to struggle. So let me take the extension. We try if it's. I'm here with the extension. Actually, so I can put it down maybe there. Hey, there's someone to the on because it's gonna start making noise for me here. This one can cook my fingers. Look at this knife. You see, it's not moving the top. So guys, you've seen I was removing the cobwebs. Iyo kabrush kananisaidia kutoa vumbi huko juu. And yes, and thank you to my douche. I love it so much. Guys, this thing ilinisumbua kuweka. And it was almost kukata my kucha. But now, I had to struggle because nitashukua naitumia. Let me remove this and see. Guys, kumbe bado na record? Hii kitu bana. Kwani nataka kuikwaje? I don't know. I'll figure out. I'll figure out on how to do that. So we already saw this one. Where's the other one?
Mama said you're meant to burn as bright as a star among the midnight sky. All the pressure blinded me, but now I see I'm no different from the rest. You said I'd fly away, but my walls have kept me down. Now I'm lost and I'm afraid, and I'm...
Ndole yangu imeumia nikivlog. Guys, my nail has umiad. To show you how this thing is long. You see this wire? It's very long. You see? One about the ejaculation. But it's too long. And then let me ukitaka kurudisha irudisha with here. With the mama that way, you see. Sisema unirudisha na mguu. This way. You see? Yeah. And I am done doing vacuum cleaning for now because I've not done the house tour. I don't want to show you the other places that I'm going to vacuum. Okay. I'm going to do the house tour soon. Guys, I forgot to show you. I didn't forget. I didn't forget because I'm here showing you. So, after you've done vacuuming your house or whatever, the uchafu is here. Yeah, it's here, guys. Yeah, alafu. And then someone does what? Ooh, my nail. Oh yeah, and then you press here, so your dust will be here. Hey, kumbe kanyumba kalikuwa na stay kuonyesha uchafu, mseme msichana mchafu. You see, it has some dust. Yes. Oh, finally the vacuum is going to help me. Jumona dust metoa. Anyway, after guys, you go and dust the iyo uchafu unatoa unatupa. Yeah, and then you can panguza it. Thank you for watching.